Imagine a world where your single desk seamlessly switches between your work laptop and your powerful desktop, all while sharing 3 glorious 4K monitors and all your peripherals. This tiny gadget claims to make that dream a reality, but does it truly deliver on such a grand promise? Well, let's dive into the NAWEN KVM switch, a device designed to untangle the digital mess for anyone juggling a laptop and a desktop setup. This isn't just any KVM, it's built for the modern multi-monitor user. For your laptop, it cleverly uses a combination of one HDMI and one USB-C port, leveraging MSD technology to push out 2 distinct displays. Then, for your desktop, it takes 3 dedicated HDMI inputs plus a USB connection. The result: you can effortlessly manage both machines, sharing 3 monitors and up to 4 USB devices like your keyboard, mouse, printer, or even an external drive. It's a genuine game changer for productivity, eliminating the constant plugging and unplugging. Visually, this KVM doesn't compromise. It's HDMI 2 and DP 1.4a compliant, supporting stunning 4K resolution at a smooth 60 Hz. And if you're into higher refresh rates for gaming, it's backward compatible with 2K at 120 Hz or even 1080p at 144 Hz. The clarity and responsiveness are truly impressive, making sure your visual experience is top-notch, no matter which machine you're using. Beyond the displays, the NAWEN KVM acts as a robust USB hub. With 3 USB-A and 1 USB-C port, you get ultra-fast 5 Gbps data transfer speeds. This means your peripherals respond instantly, and transferring large files is a breeze. Plus, for laptop users, there's a fantastic bonus: 87W power delivery charging. Just plug your 220V power supply into the KVM's PD port, and it'll keep your laptop juiced up, reducing cable clutter even further. It's a thoughtful addition that really enhances the docking station aspect of this switch. Now, a few important notes for potential users. This KVM is driver-free and works great with Windows, allowing for extended mode across all 3 screens. However, Mac users should be aware that it only supports copy mode, not extended. Also, your laptop's USB-C port absolutely needs to support Thunderbolt 3 or higher standards for full functionality, and it must have both a USB-C and an HDMI port available. And yes, you'll need to supply 7 additional HDMI cables yourself, which is a bit of an initial investment in cabling, but a small price to pay for the convenience it offers. Switching between computers is super easy too, either by pressing a button on the unit itself or using the included wired remote. In the end, the NAWEN KVM switch is a powerful solution for anyone looking to streamline a dual computer, triple monitor setup. It's a bit of a cable management project initially, but once everything is hooked up, the seamless switching, high-resolution support, and integrated charging make it an incredibly valuable addition to any serious workstation. It truly delivers on its promise of a cleaner, more efficient workspace.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.